Alright, this is my rooster. Best rooster right here, right now. Only one we got. Just this one. And 5 chickens. As in over here. Let's see. Walk over here. No, my bad. 6 chickens. And 4 baby chicks over there. Let's go in here, see what else there is. Alright. 4 of them over here. If you can see them. 4. 5, but the other ones were hiding somewhere. And give me a second. Down here is a rabbit. And a little rabbit. Black rabbit. If I show you what's in that little house, I'll show you here in a second. Just give me a minute. Hold up. Alright, what's in here is, let me show you. Baby rabbit, just born like 3 days ago. So yeah, he's cold, so throw him back in there. There's like 4 of them in here. If you can see him, 4 of them in there. Yeah. Mama, he was born like 2 months ago. So yeah, there's more. Just hold on. There's 3 more over here. One's loose over there, running somewhere in the grass. Been trying to get him, but no, nothing. 3 right here. There's 1 mom in there. She's pregnant. See, he's right there running around. Still can't get him, but oh well. There's a black rabbit in the house over there. She's pregnant as well. If you want one, just leave me a comment on my video. Haven't decided on the price yet, but it would be around $5 to $10 per rabbit. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video. There's some eggs as well. Alright, see you next time.